Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a VW Beetle side mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and the new mirror assembly. Next, carefully remove the interior door panel. This step provides access to the mirror's mounting bolts and the electrical connector. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector that powers your mirror's adjustments and heating elements. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Locate the 3 or 4 mounting bolts, typically found behind the door panel, and carefully unscrew them. Once the bolts are loose, gently pull the old mirror assembly away from the door frame. Be sure to check that all wiring is completely free and disconnected before fully detaching the mirror. This prevents any damage to the electrical components. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door, making sure to align the mounting holes perfectly. Next, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it's a secure and tight fit to restore power functions. Finally, hand tighten the 3 or 4 mounting bolts, then use your screwdriver to fully secure them, but do not over-tighten. For our final steps, reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all clips snap into place and all screws are securely fastened. Next, turn on your vehicle and test the new mirror's power adjustments and any heating functions to ensure they work correctly. Finally, give the mirror a gentle tug to verify it is firmly attached and functions perfectly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.